Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's DJ Show 1 King Legend coming at you here. Here I have the JBL 815P. Alright, this is the SRX. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is show you what it looks like with the grill off. Alright, I know a lot of people wonder what kind of setup is it with this mesh grill taken off. Alright, so go ahead and do that. So you need to tighten that horn up. I think it's vibrating a little bit. I'm not sure. But I'm going to see if anything needs tightening up after I remove the grill. I've already taken the screws out, so let me take it off real quick. Alright, so here we go. The grill is off. And this is what it looks like. It's the SRX 815P. Alright. Here's your horn. And here's your 15-inch speaker. That is a paper speaker, alright? It's a solid box, all wood. Alright, thanks for watching. DJ Show 1 King Legend. Tighten this up and put the cover back on, and that is it. Please subscribe, please like. Thanks.